fascinating conversation going on there. Talking about some bull. Removing these today. Getting them down into the greenhouse. So Henry's going to sort the greenhouse out. Some eggshells for calcium. Oh, he's gone. I didn't want to break my camera.
Lovely job,
Lovely job.
Christmas tree doing it.
Where? Oh, horse's tail.
Yeah.
Horrible.
I'll get it.
Yeah, horse's tail and finger in it, that barnweed.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll be right, keep it down. Yeah, joking. I've just been counting. 6.
No.
Tomatoes? 6.
Oh,
Yeah, I put 3 out of this out by mistake. I was copying you. Forgot about them. Yeah, there's 3, another little baby one, what your niece did. Sweet baby or something. That'll be a bushy one. And, oh, bloody hell.
Oh, that was that then.
Yeah, I'm going to have to check if it's a corn one. I don't know.
Oh, because we'll have it's a beefsteak, haven't we?
Yeah, they can go in there.
Up there.
Yeah, because they can be cordon. I'll go and sort them out now. Yeah. Yeah, I grew alright there, did it? I think that can come out there. I think that's dead. I think that grapevine is up there, but that one's not, so at least we've got one. Joe's just said. Robert. Yeah, Joe's just had a crack about on this, and I reckon it's not looking so good. I don't know what's happened. Anyway, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 6, and then that little Roma, Henry. 7. Mini cucumbers. Right, I'll get these out of here. There's Harvey in the naughty corner. For his new lead there. Poor lad. Right, do call them out of here. I've replaced them 2. That one. And that one over there in the corner. With called. Whoop, let's have a look. Can't get it. Yeah, I'll tell you. Tomato Mermand. They're a beef one. So they get cordoned off. So all these get cordoned now. So we're one missing on that side. And then I've took 3 out of this side, but what I'm going to do is that little cucumber that survived, one of ours, that we grew from seed, that's going to end there, because I'm putting a cucumber in here anyway, so I'll just stick it in there, so we're in 2 tomatoes short. All the rest are cordoned. And then Henry, a lovely day again. And there's almost noise on camera. Yes, he's not hanging out. Did you know he was going to be filmed today? Did you know he was going to be filmed today?
Why?
No full moon as we're walking down there. Full moon, full moon.
Put that super sweet one here. Well, that
Yeah, plenty of stuff in for it anyway, ain't there? All scrap.
Yeah.
Would be nice and check off in there. Yeah, he's got them all in here now, so what have we got? There's our labels. Who had them? Oh, there they are. What was that one?
That one's pretty up in here.
That's a plum. That one's a Roma. Another Roma. Another Roma. Sweet Baby 100. Sweet 100, Sweet 100. And then Super Sweet Babies going on this side, that little one there.
Cucumbers going down there, isn't it?
And then cucumbers going down there, and one at this end, didn't you? One near the door and one to the, there you go, and then fill in with whatever, lettuce. Get some lettuce in between.
Yeah.
We do a cat's crop, look nice that, wouldn't it, with lettuce in between tomatoes?
That's a real one.
Be nice this next week when I come home from work, wouldn't it? So I'll be full of lettuce and tomatoes.
Wherever.
Sorted. Right, I'm going to plant this after I've had that brie. I'm going to plant that cucumber in there. Take off up that plank then. Yeah, I've just heard Terry, where's my brush? Oh, another one stopping him talking. Where's my brush? Oh, them's looking alright from yesterday, aren't they? I was looking a bit sad, but it was a bit warm yesterday. Should come back. Down cakes. He's doing some down cakes in here. Bit of brush up in here in a bit as well. And a tidy up. I'll get rid of them onions, gonna make compost. I'll take them up top to the compost pile. Melted. Right, brie time. Lot of activity on here this morning. Must be a Sunday. Henry's just gone turn it horse on for me. Because I'm giving everything a good douse again. All he ever does him is talk. He's not even seen me. Belted, right, watering up. Because it's dry again. Right, that's everything and a good drink. Well, nice and damp again there. Just put my cat scrap in here. That beetroot and lettuce, just put them in between them rows because they're bonny plants now, they needed going out. So that's that bed full now. They should take off in there now. Like that. Yeah, should be full of colour that soon now. Henry's finished off in here now, he's put a cucumber there. Greyhound's doing alright, and then he's got all his tomatoes down here. He's put another tomato there, another cucumber at the bottom there. So he's got to put some of them lettuce in this week, in between these tomatoes. So I'll fill that up. In fact, I might do some now. Yeah, well, I'll get some in now. So there you go. Got mixed leaf lettuce in between. There and there. 2 in each gap. So that's that side full now. So if Henry puts his what they call it, iceberg up there now, and we've got iceberg in there, so there's loads of lettuce there. We've got loads for both, and we need some more, so that'll do. Looking good in this greenhouse now. We'll do next week. Mountain. Brewing a fag, and then the last check round, and then I'll be going home. I'll give it here a good spray with horse part. That's what they're leaning over. Yeah, I'm going to do that. If I get home early enough tomorrow, won't take all that out and get it prepped, ready for peppers and that. Might put a couple of tobacco in here as well. See how they do it here. Just have that for peppers and that. Yeah. Brew. Right. That's about it this morning. 5 to 10. Like it's looking nice and healthy, isn't it? It's only 9 mile an hour wind, but that's just been spinning away. Anyway. Just give everything a good water in here. All looks okay. Boom boom. I did something else and I can't remember. Oh, weeders in here. I'll give that a good weeding. All them beds, just took all them weeds out there. We're okay now. I suppose I could get a couple of lettuce or something in that corner there. Sort that out tomorrow if I get finished early enough. I'll just go round now, close everything up once I try out again. Greenhouse is shut. Aye, so that'll do us. Week, bob on. Loads done again today. See you at week. What's his name? Andy. Say hello. Make you famous. You know that doll, are you? Oh.
You can't put that on.
After you now. It's gone on. Well, now I'm going. That was Andy, our treasurer. He's been here a bit till last 12 months, so he's just getting his hands back at ground. Good lad. Right, now I'll see you next week.